Hi friends, this is Anurag from USI. Today we will be unboxing and assembling the display stand for kettlebells. USI product code DSK display stand for kettlebells. You can see it comes nicely packed in a white Hessian cloth with tapes all around it for safety in transportation. You would need a pair of scissors or a cutter to open up these tapes. As we unbox, you will notice that all the metal parts come packed in bubble sheets. This is for safety from scratches in transportation. Now we will remove the bubble sheets. As we unbox, these are the contents you will come across. Starting with the installation manual. This contains the step-by-step guide to install the kettlebell stand. We start with the two sidebars. These are the supports for the shelves. This goes on the bottom shelf and the other goes on the top shelf. These are the three shelves, the biggest one being at the base, the middle one being in the middle, and the smallest one being at the top. First step of installation will be to fix the shelf supports along with the sidebars. We will start with the base. Now that we've installed the bottom shelf support, we will install the top shelf support. Now that our base is ready, we will move on to the shelves, and those shelves will be installed using the star screws and a screwdriver. The biggest shelf goes at the bottom. Now that we have secured the sidebars and the shelf supports, we will start with the installation of the shelves. You will need to do this with the star-headed screw and the star-headed screwdriver. And basically repeat this on the bottom two shelves. On the second shelf. So now we've successfully completed the installation of the kettlebell display stand. I hope this video helped you. Thanks. Stay unbeatable.